Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nay. Thanks for stopping by and joining us in today's Get Ready With Me. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become part of the Peace Posse. We would love to have you guys. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and jump right on into this video and see how I got this look right here. Yeah, sorry it's not too much of like a tutorial or like a get ready with me. I was like super awkward throughout the entire thing and like kind of hardly talked, but yeah. We're getting better, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, so let's just go ahead and get right on into it. Starting off with the bare face, it's time to prime this canvas. So yeah, that is what I'm about to do right now. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with this Too Faced Hangover RX primer. I love this stuff. It smells like coconuts, but like the real coconut. Anyways, it smells really good, but it's super hydrating. For foundation today, I'm mixing the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir and then the ColourPop No Filter Foundation. And yeah, I'm just going to mix these two together and put them on my face. I like to just like dot that on. And then go in with a little blending sponge. These are foundations that I actually haven't used in a while. I've actually never mixed them together. So some of the products that I'm using today I have never used before, so it's going to be kind of like a little first impressions on some of those guys. But yeah, I've used both of these foundations before, but I've never mixed them together. And I kind of am liking the coverage that it's giving me. I apologize, like that my eyes super red. It's been raining lately and I have super bad allergies. I don't know if anybody else gets like that, but anytime it rains, I literally get really bad allergies, you guys. It's kind of bad. Like there's times where I can't put eyeliner on because I literally have been rubbing this eye all day. I know I shouldn't, but it just is like so itchy. And yeah, I took allergy medicine, so hopefully that will go away soon. Put on some little ears so that way my hair can stay back. But I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer and the Tarte Shape Tape. I have like a little super teeny one because I ran out of the big one. But I'm just going to mix these guys together and put that underneath my eyes. Just going in with a little Roll Techniques sponge and blending it all out. Drag it on top of my eye as well and then kind of use that as a little eye primer of a sort. Yeah, I forgot to say that I'm going to use this Luxie Complete Face set here in this video. So this guy is going to be kind of like a first impressions. So these are all the brushes that it comes with. Like some face brushes here, highlighting brush. This one's nice. I'm going to use this one right now. I actually don't own this brush yet, so this is their Pro Precision Face Brush, the round top blender. This is their tapered highlighter, I believe. This is their flat definer. We have a blending brush, a spoolie, probably a flat eyeshadow brush, and then I'm guessing this one is a lip. Oh yeah. And this guy's like a little lip brush. So I'm going to use this Wet n Wild contour stick. It looks super like crusted and busted. Sorry about that. But yeah, I'm going to use this to contour. Use this Pro Precision Face Brush from Luxie to blend it all out. It has been a minute since I have cream contoured. I'm just going over everything with a little blending sponge. I do this often when I use brushes. I don't know, like I don't trust a brush completely because I feel like it leaves streaks kind of. So I just go over with a damp blending sponge, especially with cream products, and I haven't like used a cream contour in a minute, so I just want to blend all that all out. And for powder today, I'm using the Pretty Vulgar. This is going to be a first impressions as well, and yeah. In with my sponge here. And just press that into the skin. Eyes today, I am using the Morphe 35M palette, and I think I'm going to use like these shades here. I swatched them earlier and they look so gorgeous. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go in with this guy first in our crease. Shade is called Fired Up, and I'm just gonna go ahead and drag that into our crease. It's a pretty like orange color. So I'm using a Sedona lace blending brush as well. Just dust that in our crease in windshield wiper motions, and then I go back in and do like little circular motions to blend it all out. And of course, the other side. Luxie tapered blending brush. I'm gonna go in with the shade Red Carpet from that 35M palette and go ahead and pop that in the inner and outer corners of my eyeballs. I think I'm gonna go for a halo look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this on the inner and outer corner. Kind of like messily at first. And then I'll go back in and make everything nice and cute. I just like to get an outline. And then I can do all the blending. Now I'm going in with a smaller, more dense brush from Wet n Wild, a little crease brush, and I'm going in with the shade FOTD, and I'm just going to deepen up that inner and outer corner, and yeah, get it ready for a nice little halo eye. Just blend that out. Connect the two, and then I'm going to like smoke it out in the crease as well again. Now that we got that all blended in, I'm gonna go back in with that Luxie tapered blending brush and the shade Red Carpet, and then we're just gonna go ahead and blend these two together. Just make it look a little bit more seamless and a little bit more smoky. To avoid the harsh lines if we can. Those guys together, and then do the same on the other side. I'm looking super pale, but don't worry, I'm gonna bronze that up in a second. Right, so now I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut the center of my lid with some concealer, like not cut my lid, but yeah, kind of do like a little cut crease action, but not really, just like the top, so that way I can do that halo eye that we're going for. Blend that out with my finger. Smoke out. It's okay. Let that happen. We're gonna go ahead and deepen up the inner and outer corners again. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. That shade's called Bright Eyes, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pop that on my lid. I love using my fingers for eyeshadows, so that way I could get the most pigment. Go back in with that crease brush, shade FOTD, and deepen up those corners. Bake a little bit. So it's so like dramatic on the eyes. I'm not expecting that. I look literally like a skeleton right there. That looks so funny. I'm I'm gonna put mascara on. So I'm gonna go in with the So I'm gonna go in with the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal and just put a coat of mascara on. It Cosmetics on top. I love this brush because it like separates my lashes and everything, so super good mascara. Love this. So my camera died, but time to bronze up, and I'm using the Take Home the Bronze in the shade Grwm from the Balm. And this brush is from Royal and Land Nickel. And then I just hit all the usual spots. For blush today, I'm using the ColourPop blush in Siren. This is from My Life as Eva. This is the shade that I am using. Pop that on my cheeks. I love this blush. It's one of my favorites. And then I'm going to go in with this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Shake that baby up. This is like my second time using this stuff, you guys, and I already love it that I want to go get another bottle. Like, I see why everybody loves this now. Just gonna let that soak in before we go in with highlighter, and then we'll go ahead and move on to our lips. So for highlight, I'm gonna use this guy here from ColourPop called Golden Hour. And then we're gonna place something on top. I love this highlight. It's literally a highlight that I wear all the time on a like normal day-to-day basis. Alright guys, well this is the final result and the final makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed. Sorry today's video was like super awkward because I'm kind of not feeling good, but yeah, I will see you on Monday in a new video. Give this video a big fat thumbs up if you're enjoying the makeup tutorials, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see, what kind of makeup tutorials you guys want to see, because I have a lot of new products that I get to play with. So yeah, peace and love to you guys always, and I hope to see you in my next video. See you later, alligator. Bye!